Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of nutrition and talking about a superfood that often gets overlooked. Egg whites. Yes, you heard that right. Egg whites have some amazing benefits that you might not be aware of. So stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll be convinced that adding egg whites to your daily diet is a fantastic idea. Let's get cracking. Packed with a multitude of vital nutrients that are immensely advantageous for your well-being, egg whites are a veritable nutritional powerhouse. A closer look at what makes them such a nutritional marvel is provided here. The superior protein content of egg whites is well known. They give your body all the essential amino acids it needs for development, repair, and general health. Because egg whites protein is readily absorbed by the body and digested, it's a great option for anyone trying to increase their protein consumption. One of the key advantages of egg whites is their low-calorie content. They are virtually fat-free and contain minimal carbohydrates. This makes them an excellent choice for individuals who are mindful of their calorie intake while still seeking to obtain essential nutrients. Egg whites are a heart-healthy food since they are virtually fat-free. Egg whites are a terrific low-fat, high-nutrient option if you're managing your fat intake or trying to cut back on saturated fat in your diet. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification button. Thank you for viewing. Cholesterol-free. Egg whites are completely cholesterol-free, in contrast to the yolk of the egg. Because they don't raise cholesterol, this qualifies them for use by those who are concerned about their cholesterol. Rich in vitamins and minerals. B-complex vitamins like riboflavin and niacin are among the many important vitamins and minerals found in egg whites. These vitamins support good skin and visual health and are essential for many metabolic processes. Egg whites are also a fantastic source of minerals like potassium and magnesium, which are critical for healthy muscles and general well-being. Egg whites are highly versatile and can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes. You can use them to make fluffy omelets, as a binding agent in baking, or even whip them into a foam for meringues. Their versatility makes it easy to include them in your daily diet in creative and delicious ways. Do you enjoy exercising? Your best friend is an egg white. Egg white protein aids in the development and maintenance of muscle. Including egg whites in your daily diet can help you reach your fitness objectives, whether you're trying to keep active or hitting the gym. Furthermore, they are quite adaptable and may be used as a topping for your favorite foods or added to smoothies and omelette. Unbelievably, egg whites also improve appearance. Egg white proteins have the ability to tighten and tone your skin, which can minimize the look of wrinkles and fine lines. Acne and excessive oil production can also be controlled with their assistance. Additionally, the vitamins in egg whites can give your hair that extra power and shine if you're going for luscious hair. The effect that egg whites have on heart health is just another wonderful advantage. Because of their low saturated fat content, they may help reduce your risk of heart disease. Additionally, they contain arginine, an amino acid that helps to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. They are therefore a heart-healthy option. Struggling to control your weight? Egg whites are high in satiety and low in calories. This implies that they can lessen the need to nibble on unhealthy foods by keeping you full and content. Egg whites are a great complement to your meal plan, regardless of whether you're attempting to lose weight or just keep up a nutritious diet. So there you have it, folks, the incredible benefits of eating egg whites daily. They're a nutrient powerhouse, great for muscle building, offer beauty benefits, improve heart health, and can help you manage your weight. The best part? They're incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into various recipes. So why not start your day with a delicious egg white omelet or add them to your post-workout smoothie? Your body will thank you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and enjoy your egg whites. See you in the next video.